Welcome to Master Mathematics Minutes. Today's topic is about the volume of a cylinder, and we'll cover a couple examples on how to calculate the volume of a cylinder, and we will conclude the topic with a summary. And finally, be kind and subscribe for more videos. So, what is the volume of a cylinder? The volume of a cylinder is the product of its cross-sectional area and height. Visually, we have a cylinder with radius r and height h. So the cross-sectional area is the area of the circle here. So the volume is given by V is equals to pi r squared, which is the area of the circle, multiplied by h, which is the height. And that simplifies to pi r squared h. The first example was to calculate the volume of the cylinder below. We're given the radius of 7 centimeters, and we're also given the height of 12 centimeters. So the volume is given by V is equals to pi r squared h, and that is equals to pi multiplied by 7 squared, because 7 is the radius, multiplied by 12, because 12 is the height. And that gives us 588 pi, and that is equals to 1847.26 centimeters cube. In the second example, we're asked to calculate the volume of the cylinder below. We have a radius of 2 centimeters and a height of 6 centimeters. So the volume is given by V is equals to pi r squared h, and that is equals to pi multiplied by 2 squared, because we have a radius of 2, multiplied by the height, which is 6 centimeters. And that is 24 pi, and that is equals to 75.40 centimeters cube. In the third example, we're given the volume of the cylinder is 210 centimeters cube. And we're also given the radius is 5 centimeters, and we're asked to find the height. So we have volume is equals to V is equals to pi r squared h, and that is equals to pi multiplied by 5 squared, because we're given the radius is 5 from the question, multiplied by h. And we'll set that to be equals to 210 given from the question. So 5 squared pi is 25 pi. We'll copy the h down, and that is equals to 210. And solving for h, with h is equals to 210 over 25 pi, and h is 2.67 centimeters. So visually, we have a cylinder with radius of 5 centimeters and a height of 2.67 centimeters. In the fourth example, we're given the volume of the cylinder as 1,440 centimeters cube, and we're given the height is 12 centimeters. And we're asked to calculate the radius. So where volume is equals to V is equals to pi r squared h, and that is equals to pi multiplied by r squared multiplied by 12. So we have replaced h with 12 given from the question, and we'll set that to be 1,440, again given from the question above. So that simplifies to 12 pi multiplied by r squared is equals to 1,440. Solving for r squared, we have 1,440 over 12 pi. And r is equals to the square root of 1,440 over 12 pi. And r is equals to 6.18 centimeters. So visually, we have a cylinder with a radius of 6.18 centimeters and a height of 12 centimeters. To summarize, the volume of a cylinder is the product of its cross-sectional area and height. So we have volume is equals to V is equals to pi r squared, which is the area of the circle, multiplied by h, which is the height. And that simplifies to pi r squared h. Thank you very much for watching. This is Master Mathematics Minutes.